Assalamu alaikum. I am your maths teacher Samara Asim. I am going to teach you maths. I hope all of you are fine and enjoying good health. Learning objectives. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to know facts of division, definition of division, parts of division, shortcut method of division by 10, division with and without remainder. My today's topic is number operations. Today we are going to revise facts of division, definition of division, parts of division, shortcut method of division by 10, division with and without remainder. Table drill. Today we are going to revise 6 times table. 0 times 6 is 0, 1 times 6 is 6, 2 times 6 is 12, 3 times 6 is 18, 4 times 6 is 24, 5 times 6 is 30, 6 times 6 is 36, 7 times 6 is 42, 8 times 6 is 48, 9 times 6 is 54, 10 times 6 is 60, 11 times 6 is 66, 12 times 6 is 72, 0 times 6 is 0, 1 times 6 is 6, 2 times 6 is 12, 3 times 6 is 18, 4 times 6 is 24, 5 times 6 is 30, 6 times 6 is 36, 7 times 6 is 42, 8 times 6 is 48, 9 times 6 is 54, 10 times 6 is 60, 11 times 6 is 66, 12 times 6 is 72. Now, you have to tell me 3 times 6 is 18. 5 times 6 is 30. 8 times 6 is 48. 12 times 6 is 72. 9 times 6 is 54. 0 times 6 is 0. I am going to explain the term division through its definition. Division is equal sharing or equal grouping of numbers. Division is equal sharing or equal grouping of numbers. Parts of division. A division sum has 4 main parts: dividend, divisor, quotient, remainder. Dividend, divisor, quotient, remainder. The dividend is inside the bar. The divisor is outside the bar. The quotient is up to the bar and the remainder is under the bar. Dividend. The number to be divided is called the dividend. The number to be divided is called the dividend. Divisor. The number which divides is called the divisor. The number which divides is called the divisor. Quotient. The result of dividing a number is called the quotient. The result of dividing a number is called the quotient. Remainder. If the number is not fully divided, the remaining number is called the remainder. If the number is not fully divided, the remaining number is called the remainder. Students, let's revise the multiplication and division facts. Before making multiplication and division fact, you have to keep these points in your mind. In multiplication, whether we read the table of first value or the second value, the product is stay the same. Look at the first fact of multiplication. I will read 8 times table till 5 times or 5 times table till 8 times. My product will be the same. It is 40. 8 times 5 is 40. 5 times 8 is 40. In division, the product is given and we are bound to read the table of divisor to find the quotient. Look at the first fact of division. 40 divided by 5 is equal to 8. 8 times 5 is 40, so the quotient is 8. 40 divided by 8. 5 times 8 is 40. Let's make some other facts. 9 multiply 7 is equal to 63. 7 multiply 9 is equal to 63. Come toward the division fact. 63 divided by 7 is equal to 9. 63 divided by 9 is equal to 7. 5 multiply 6 is equal to 30. 6 multiply 5 is equal to 30. 40 divided by 5 is equal to 8. 40 divided by 8 is equal to 5. Shortcut method of division by 10. My dear students, whenever you are going to divide any number by 10, you have to keep this point in your mind. The digit on the extreme right will be the remainder. The numbers to the left will be the quotient. I repeat, the digit on the extreme right will be the remainder. The numbers to the left will be the quotient. For example, I am going to divide 409 by 10. The 9 is the extreme right number. 9 is my remainder. The numbers on left, 4 and 0. 40 is my quotient. Activity. Let's perform an activity to clear our concept. 999 divided by 10 is equal to, yes, 99 is quotient and 9 is remainder. 458 divided by 10 is equal to, yes, 45 is quotient and 8 is remainder. 56 divided by dash is equal to 5 quotient, remainder 6. Yes, divided by 10 dash divided by 10 is equal to 23 remain 5. Yes, 235. Division sum without remainder. I am going to divide 27 by 3. I will write 27 inside the bar and 3 outside the bar. I will read 3 times table till I get 27 or less than 27 but nearest to 27. 9 times 3 is 27. I will write 9 up to the bar and 27 the product under the dividend. I subtract 27 minus 27 is equal to 0, 0. There is no remainder. Division sum with remainder. I am going to divide 29 by 7. I will write 29 inside the bar and 7 outside the bar. I will read 7 times table till I get 29 or less than 29 but nearest to 29. 4 times 7 is 28. I will write 4 up to the bar and the product 28 under the dividend. I subtract 9 minus 8 is equal to 1. 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. So 1 is my remainder. Let us now wrap up our lesson and discuss all the main points. Division is equal sharing or equal grouping of numbers. The number to be divided is called the dividend. The number which divides is called the divisor. The result of dividing a number is called the quotient. If the number is not fully divided, the remaining number is called the remainder. In multiplication fact, we read the table of first number or second number. The product stays the same. But in division, we will read the table of the divisor. In division by 10, the digit on the extreme right will be the remainder. The numbers to the left will be the quotient. Today's home task is practice of book page number 83, 85, 86, 87 and exercise 2E, question number 4 to 8 of book page number 93, 94 on loose sheet. I hope all of you will do your practice on rough register or loose sheet, and if you have any difficulty about any concept, you have to take help from the video. Dear students, now it is the time to conclude our lesson. I hope your concepts of today's lesson is clear to you. Revise the today's lesson concept. Do your homework before the next class. Till then, enjoy the day. Allah Hafiz.